Hi, this is David Barista from Building Design and Construction Magazine. We're here at Green Build. I'm joined by Levi Frost from Manhattan Construction. And Levi was nice enough to walk the show floor today. This is his first time at Green Build?
It's the first time.
Great, yeah. So he came across some really cool products, technology stuff that is good, as a contractor. It's a little different perspective than an engineer or an architect or even an owner would have. So I'd love to have you just kind of run through some of the products and technologies you saw today.
Yeah, actually kind of looked at three things. One was something that's an innovation in a technology that really hasn't been done before, and came across one product in particular that stood out, which was called hempcrete. Essentially, it's ground up hemp that they are using to make a form and stack almost like concrete. The hempcrete is actually a weather barrier, so you don't have to have a exterior envelope barrier for the air and water. It's meant to absorb moisture whenever it's humid outside, and whenever the drier months come along, it then releases that moisture so that you really have a comfortable space year-round. That was one product in particular that stood out to me. Another is technology and some innovations that are taking shape in the industry. And one of the things that I really think is going to be a huge asset in the future that will also reduce paper waste is it's kind of a smart interactive TV for documents on the project site. In other words, it's essentially a large tablet on a 50-inch computer that will allow you to pull up the documents, make notations on the actual plan, and do it all on the electronic files, as opposed to having to have numerous sheets printed off every time you have a document change and things of that nature.
So we all watch CNN and ESPN. We see the guys with the touch screen and manipulating the data and stuff. So this technology allows you to do that with construction plans.
Yes,
okay.
And it's not unheard of for a typical construction project to spend thousands of dollars on printing fees during the course of the project, updating contract documents and things of that nature. So if you look at buying a piece of equipment like this that you can utilize from project to project, over time you're actually going to save money, save owners cost, and also increasing your efficiency and your ability to produce work. So
great. And I understand you have one more product for us?
I do, yeah. One other thing that I looked at is there's a lot of technologies out there that people are doing the same thing, but whenever I look at those technologies, there's a certain couple few that actually start to make it more effective for us to do in the field for production. One of those is impervious pavement. A company out there has figured out a way to, instead of doing individual pavers, they link them together so that you're bringing out, a 10 by 5 essentially plat of all these pavers that can just be dropped on the ground. So it is a huge time saver in the field, which starts to make these technologies more cost effective for owners and something that's achievable for all projects.
Yeah, I can't imagine the time savings on something like that.
Exactly right. That's exactly right.
Great.
So that's some of the stuff I look for is the productivity, things that we can actually increase and save owners cost in the field by some of the innovation. So
great. Levi, I really appreciate your time. Thanks for joining us.
I appreciate it. Thank you.